Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. So the Daily Goodie Box is a website where you sign up and create a profile. It's free to join, and if you are selected you get a box of goodies, and they just ask that you review them. So that's kind of what that little card says on the inside. You can also follow them on social media, and you can win boxes that way as well. So I will leave all their information in the description box below. So, the first thing I'm pulling out, these are facial oils. This one says cleansing facial oil. This one says daily facial oil. So there's actually two of each. They had come loose and were floating around in the box. But on the back of the card it explains the products more. So it says that the cleansing facial oil is designed to remove makeup and impurities. And then it has marula oil, which is essential for nourishing and improving skin's elasticity. So I'm excited to try that. Very cool. And then next up we got a couple samples of this coffee, Pour Over, Twin Peaks. And on the back, it's kind of cool. Looks like it sits in a little thing and you pour the water in there and it kind of steeps it out. So excited to try that. 100% Colombian coffee. And this time, I feel like we've gotten a lot of drinks lately. So this one is Apple Mint Wonder Drink. Prebiotic food for live probiotics. Kombucha. I've heard a lot about that. I've seen a lot about it. I don't know that I've tried it though. I'm trying to think. I feel like I've had one. So apple mint sounds interesting. I'm definitely going to pop that in the fridge so it gets nice and cold and give that a try. Also have bunches of crunches. This is superfood granola, dark chocolate, sea salt, and chia with ancient grains. It looks good. I think we've had that before. I normally give that stuff to the kids. They like that. Then we have two samples of Endo Sleep. Supports endocannabinoid health, promotes rejuvenating sleep, beyond CBD. Cool. And there are two little soft gels in each packet. Also have Kirk's Odor Neutralizing Hand Wash that's fragrance free. Interesting. Haven't heard of that brand. Now this I have seen before. This is Anti-Itch Soothing Cream with oatmeal and menthol in it. So we got looks like a full size of that. And then typically at the bottom there's sometimes coupon codes. Ooh, we have a hidden product. Let's take a look at that real quick. ECOLIXIR. Made from hemp. That's cool. I used to have some hemp shampoo that was pretty amazing back in the day, but this is a vanilla one. Excited to try that. And then our advertisements and promo codes. So it looks like it's for the coffee. Wonder Drink sticker. $3 off for the sleep aid. How cute is that? Bakery on Main. There's a coupon. And then this is also for the little sleep aid. Looks like they have all sorts of products. So very cool. If you guys would like to join and try to win a box, I will put all their information below. And like I said, you can follow them on social media for a better chance at winning one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.